How you doing, guys? All right, let me give you a medical update. I went to the doctor today, ironically, and I'm not in my walking boot. I'm totally bummed. I have 4 more weeks of this cast. They recast my foot, so I can't move my leg, my foot, or anything. But it's going to be 4 weeks, and I'll be back to normal again. So let's talk about what we're doing today, okay? We have the whole line of Swerve products. If you don't know what Swerve is, it's kind of like Splenda, but it's a better tasting version. And they have a powdered sugar, and they have a brown sugar. So you should check out the line. So let me tell you what we're gonna do today. We're doing vanilla cake, chocolate cake, pancakes and waffles, chocolate chip cookies. We're doing all four of them. We're gonna taste them, see if they have a chemical taste to them, an aftertaste to them, and we'll let you know which one's the best. All right, so come on in close. Let's mix up. We're going to start with pancakes and waffles. But we're not doing waffles, we're doing pancakes today. Okay, it tells you to mix the eggs, milk, and oil. So let's put the eggs in first. Eggs in first. Then we got your milk. Pour that in. Then your oil. So we're going to mix that together first. All the wet ingredients before we put in. Give that a good mix. Alright, now it's time to put in the powdered batter formula. There we go. They say it's enough for 12, but I never believed them. Now imagine waking up Sunday morning, smelling the bacon, and get some good pancakes that aren't bad for you. That's what we're doing right now. Okay, first thing you want to do is pour yourself a little dollop in a nice non-stick pan. Spray it with non-stick spray. Use butter if you want. And just pour it right in there. Alright guys, so we're going to take this one at a time. We have 4 products. Look how beautiful and fluffy these pancakes came out. It made a ton of them. We only used like, what, a cup and a half, I think, of batter. And there you go, and they smell just like pancakes. So let's give them a try. Check that out. All right, so what I'd put on these, if you're trying to eat healthy, trying to keep your carbs low, you can put whipped cream on here. You can get the healthy chocolate chips. I think it's Lily's. Put those on there, and then you can have your pancakes. You can also get some sugar-free jam, sugar-free syrup, but I'm gonna taste these plain. It's kind of like tasting coffee. You go black with the coffee, all right? So let's give it a try right now. Smells delicious. No aftertaste. Wow. That's really good. No aftertaste, no chemical taste. Nothing but fluffy pancake. On to the next one. Okay, before you start the cookie dough, you want to go back and preheat your oven at 350, all right? So I want you to mix the milk and the vanilla. So we're going to put the vanilla in. You're going to mix those two together. It probably blends better if you do that. Okay, I've got the milk and vanilla mixed. So now just dump in your batter. Alright, once it looks like that, it's kind of like cookie dough. Then you put the butter in. That's all your flavor. Just pour that right in. And then give it a good mix again. Okay guys, once you have your cookie dough on a cookie sheet, do 1 tablespoon drops. And then you can gently flatten each one if you want before it goes in the oven. You want to bake these at 350 for 12 to 14 minutes. I gotta call funny business here, okay? These look nothing like chocolate chip cookies. Look at the cookies on the box. Okay, now look at these cookies. They look more like oatmeal cookies, don't they? They feel great, they might taste great, but they don't look like chocolate chip. Alright, just to cover all the products that we're reviewing today, I forgot to tell you that they're ketogenic and they're also gluten-free and grain-free. So, let's give these chocolate chip cookies a try. Here we go. They're not bad. You can taste all the butter in it. I'd be happy with these. They don't look like it, but they taste like it. No aftertaste, no chemical taste. I give these a thumb up. Congratulations. Nice job, guys. Are you ready? This is the last two right here. We got a vanilla cake and we got a chocolate cake. So what we're going to do is do one of them as a round cake, one of them as cupcakes. Then we're going to frost it with Pillsbury sugar-free frosting to continue to keep it healthy. All right, so if you guys are ready, let's go try these out. So far, so good. Look how beautiful these cupcakes came. This is the vanilla cake. We made them into cupcakes. Then we got the chocolate. You guys ready to give this a try? All right, let's do it. Let's give this cupcake a try first. Tastes just like a cupcake. Let's try a piece of cake here. Haven't eaten cake in so long. Nailed it. Whether you like cupcakes or cake, you gotta do it. Get the frosting from Pillsbury. You guys enjoy. I give you a big thumbs up on every single product in that Swerve line. Do you have chocolate right there? Yep, I got it. All right, I love you. I'll see you guys in the next episode. Bye-bye.